Buenos días, son las 8:30 de la mañana y estamos en el coche yendo hacia Jarvis Bay, que es una bahía que está al sur de Sydney, a dos horas y media en coche. Vamos a ir a pasar el fin de semana y bueno, el puente este fin de semana, que es Australia Day, hoy además, pero nos dan el lunes de festivo. Y bueno, tenemos aquí a Jennifer conduciendo.
Hola.
Yeah, I've been thinking a lot. Yeah, yeah. Hey, hey. Come on. It's been way too long since I seen you, looked you in your eyes. Ride around the town and staying out, don't wanna say goodbye. Everything's so different now, you're just what I'm missing now. But I know that I can't have you back, I guess I'm tripping now, yeah. Sometimes I start missing you crazy, ain't nothing quite like you. Love like this keeps going and going, I cannot forget you. Oh, 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 yeah, yeah, yeah. Ride around town in a hoopsie, way before I ever had a groupie, back when I used to wear the same 5 shirts, way before I ever had Gucci, way before I ever had a rollie on. Talking back when I dropped Corleone, picking up an 8 that my homie got, fucking in the car, that's the only spot. Back when I felt more free, back when I smoked more weed, back when I drove up and down 92 with a view of the moon and you in my passenger seat. That was so good, now it's all gone. Is what it is, cause we both moved on. At least we had memories, now we also got this song, yeah. It's been way too long since I seen you, looked you in your eyes. Ride around the town and staying out, don't wanna say goodbye. Everything's so different now, you're just what I'm missing now. But I know that I can't.
Hemos llegado a nuestro Airbnb. Estamos al lado de Giants Beach, que es la playa de arenas más blancas que hay. Champagne, sun milk. Tenemos el baño por aquí. Este baño está bien.
Saw me now, would you recognize me or would you call me out? I know it's been a while but I'm still me.
Pues hoy estamos yendo a Boderee National Park. Está justo al lado de nuestro Airbnb, a 10 minutos en coche. Esta es la cola para entrar. Jennifer, ¿dónde estamos? ¿Dónde estamos? No, pero dentro del Parque Nacional, ¿dónde estamos?
Jardín.
¿Jardín qué?
Botánica.
I seen you, looked you in your eyes. Ride around the town and staying out, don't wanna say goodbye. Everything's so different now, you're just what I'm missing now. But I know that I can't have you back, I guess I'm tripping now, yeah. Sometimes I start missing you crazy, ain't nothing quite like you. Love like this keeps going and going, I cannot forget you.
왜들 그리 다운돼 있어 뭐가 문제야 say something 분위기가 겁나 싸해 요새 이런 게 유행인가 왜들 그리 재미없어 아 그건 나도 마찬가지 Tell me what I got to do 급한 대로 블루투스 켜 아무 노래나 일단 틀어 아무거나 신나는 걸로 아무렇게나 춤춰 아무렇지 않아 보이게 아무 생각하기 싫어 아무개로 살랬지 없이 I'm sick and tired of my everyday Keep it up 한 것도 아무 노래나 일단 틀어 아무렴 day so boring 아무래도 refresh가 시급한 듯해 쌓여간 스트레스가 배꼽 빠질 만큼만 복속하고 싶은 날이야 You what up my thugs 어디야 넌 올 때 병맥주랑 깜짝놀게 사와 클럽은 구미가 잘 안 당겨
Jans Beach hoy, la última comida del Jans Beach Café. La arena está blanquísima hoy, no como el otro día que estaba nublado, hoy está perfecta, blanquísima. Y vamos a hacer un recorrido por todas las playas, pero no sé si saldremos de aquí. Hemos encontrado un sitio con sombra, de los poquitos que hay.
그건 나도 마찬가지 Tell me what I got to do 급한 대로 블루투스 켜 아무 노래나 일단 틀어 아무거나 신나는 걸로 아무렇게나 춤춰 아무렇지 않아 보이게 아무 생각하기 싫어 아무개로 살래 잠시 I'm sick and tired of my everyday Keep it up 한 곡 더 떠나지 못할 바엔 창밖은 쳐다도 안 봐 회가닥해서 주태를 부려도 No worries at all 이미지 왜 챙겨 그래봤자 우리끼린데 늦기 전에 my past bet 20대가 얼마 남았어 편한 옷으로 갈아입어
Bueno, so we're going home now, going to Parramatta. We finished our route. We spent our last day at the main beach, Kiam Beach, and now Alex is driving back.
왜들 그리 재미없어 그건 나도 마찬가지 Tell me what I got to do 급한 대로 블루투스 켜
Estamos en Fitzroy Falls, es una de las paradas que pueden hacer, está a 1 hora y media de Sydney, 1 hora y media de Jarvis Bay y son unas cataratas. Está justo al lado de la carretera volviendo a Sydney, una carretera que da por las montañas que se llama la B73.
Look what I've caught. This foul human, Alex Shan, looking very suspicious.